Stand ready. Attention. Stand ready. Our honorable principal is very shortly coming towards the flag post. National flag will be hoisted from here.
हमारे वीर स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपने अथक संघर्ष एवं बलिदानों के माध्यम से आजादी प्राप्त की थी। इस दिन को मनाने से पहले हमें हमारे वीर सैनिकों को सलाम करना चाहिए, जिनकी बदौलत आज हम एक आजाद एवं स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र में जी रहे हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस के इस अवसर पर हमें यह याद रखना चाहिए कि हमारी स्वतंत्रता केवल एक दिन की खुशी नहीं है, बल्कि यह हमारे जीवन का हिस्सा है। हमें यह भी याद रखना चाहिए कि हमारी स्वतंत्रता एक अनमोल उपहार है, जो हमें हमारे वीर सैनिकों के द्वारा मिली है। हमारी स्वतंत्रता को पाने के लिए बहुत से लोगों ने अपना योगदान दिया, जैसे मंगल पांडे, बाबू वीर कुंवर सिंह, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु सुखदेव, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल और इतना ही नहीं, अभी भी यह सूची लंबी है। आइए अब यह जानते हैं कि भारत को स्वतंत्रता कैसे मिली। भारत की स्वतंत्रता प्राप्ति की संघर्षमय कहानी लंबी एवं कठिन रही है, जिसकी शुरुआत स्वतंत्रता संग्राम 1857 के सिपाही विद्रोह से शुरू हुई, जिसकी नींव 34 बंगाल नेटिव इन्फेंट्री से संबंध रखने वाले मंगल पांडे ने रखी थी। वहीं दूसरी ओर गांधी जी ने भी असहयोग आंदोलन एवं सत्याग्रह के माध्यम से लोगों को जागरूक किया। द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध के दौरान भारत के राष्ट्र कांग्रेस ने अंग्रेजी हुकूमत को दबोचने का अवसर देखा और 1947 में भारत को आजाद कराया। कुछ इस प्रकार हमारा देश भारत 15 अगस्त 1947 को अंग्रेजों की बेड़ियों को तोड़ आजाद हुआ। अब मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देते हुए कुछ पंक्तियां आप तक पहुंचाना चाहूंगा कि वतन की आग से छलके जो आंसू दर्द के कारण तो फिर बेटे की आंख में बगावत खुद ही दिखती है। कलम कागज ने कब लिखे हैं ये बलिदानों के किस्से, शहादत की कहानी तो शहादत खुद ही लिखती है। जिया ले जो वतन पर जान देने को रहे तैयार, वो जिंदाबाद रहते हैं एवं जिंदाबाद रखते हैं। और जिसने कोख में पाला भगत सिंह की तरह के शेर, भला उस माँ की आंचल पर कभी क्या दाग रहते हैं, भला उस माँ की आंचल पर कभी क्या दाग रहते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Now let us move to the next program, and for that I would like
let me take this whole scintillating energy of today's morning to convey my deep regards for everyone to make me stand here. After 75 years, we are getting these vibes. Then how was the feeling of 340 million Indians on 15th August 1947? It can only be imagined. Our country has had a glorious past in the last 75 years since independence. We are constantly moving towards growth, development and progress. To achieve this global status, everyone has contributed, but how can we forget those who actually made this happen? Our freedom fighters who gave their lives to set India free from the rule of Britishers. है नमन उनको कि जो देश को अमृत देकर इस जगत में शौर्य की जीवित कहानी हो गए हैं. है नमन उनको कि जिनके सामने बोना हिमालय जो धरा पर गिर गए पर आसमानी हो गए हैं. This day is filled with patriotism, but patriotism does not mean being a freedom fighter or guarding our borders only, but its true meaning lies in helping unprivileged and socially deprived people so that collectively we can lead our beloved country on the path of success. We should feel proud to be born in this miraculous country where every religion is respected and accepted, where the nation comes first, the world's best democracy is found here. Let's make a promise to strengthen and advance the nation and uphold its honor on this auspicious occasion. यही वह देश है जिसकी सदा हम जय मनाते हैं, समर्पण प्राण करते हैं, नमन के गीत गाते हैं. Let's shout it out. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
तो क्या होगा? वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, और वो मौत ही क्या जो तिरंगे में लिपटी ना हो. अब कार्यक्रम की अगली कड़ी में मैं
खुशनसीब होते हैं वो खून जो देश के काम आता है. A hearty pleasant good morning to Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Atul Prakash of Standard 10th P standing in front of you to deliver a speech on this pious and gracious occasion of Independence Day. First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy Independence Day. 15th August is a day that every Indian must cherish as we got the most valuable thing a person desires in his whole life, that is freedom. This year we are going to celebrate 77th Independence Day. Our country India had a glorious past in this 77 years since independence. We honored visionary leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh and countless others who led the fight of liberation with their unyielding tenacity and bravery. As we enjoy the priceless gift of freedom because of their unceasing labor and sacrifice, our journey towards freedom was marked by struggle, labor and dedication of relentless pursuit of a greater cause of free democratic India. Today we stand as the defenders of democracy entrusted with the values of inclusivity, secularism and fairness. As we see the tricolor waving in the sky, let it remind us the faith and bond that we share as an Indians with the people all over the globe. Our diversity is our strength and together we can achieve great things. The recently launched Chandrayaan 3 is a great example as well as a great achievement in Indian history. Let us pledge to contribute our skill and knowledge to uplift every citizen, especially those less privileged. This day is not just about joy, this is the solemn reminder of courage and selflessness of our freedom fighters who fought for generations to secure freedom. This Independence Day, let us not just remember history, but let us shape it. Now I would like to speak a few lines before ending my speech. वतन हमारा ऐसा ना कोई छोड़ पाए, रिश्ता हमारा ऐसा ना कोई तोड़ पाए, दिल एक है कि जान हमारी, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, इसकी शान हमारी. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
होने को। A very pleasant good morning to all of you. Today I am Mahis Raj of Standard 9A, standing here to deliver a speech on very great and memorable day. As we gathered here in unity to mark the 77th anniversary of Indian independence with hearts brimming, it's a moment to reflect on our nation's remarkable journey, a story of struggle, courage and resilience that brought us out of the shadows of colonial rule. On this historic occasion, we honor luminaries like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, who lit the path of freedom by their ideas of non-violence, justice and unity. Their ideas are a guiding light for new generations. Our India is a unite of different types of tradition, cultures and languages. Our diversity is our strength. So as we are celebrating our independence, we should also preserve our treasure which enriches our nation's prosperity. Education is our gateway to progress. It fulfills our dream and build our better future. So as an educated youth, it is our responsibility to light the lamp of education in the lives of those who need it the most. On this remarkable Independence Day, let's not only remember history, let's shape it. Please to be conscious citizens to honor the struggle of our forefathers. As we are raising our tricolor high, let's also raise our aspirations which strive to progress and inspire the world. At last I want to say that गूंज रहा है विश्व में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, गूंज रहा है विश्व में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमां में तिरंगा प्यारा. Thank you. Have a nice.
As well as 77th Independence Day. Okay. 77th Independence Day, 1947. We got the independence. Today, like every year, we are celebrating our Independence Day. Everything is fine enough. We have got our independence. But one thing I want to share with my beloved students, that I think all of you are aware about this year's slogan of Independence Day. Can anyone? What is the slogan? We are under the banner, we are celebrating our Independence Day. Can anyone raise your hand and say the slogan of today's Independence Day? Anyone? You all have seen but must have not noticed. The slogan of today's Independence Day is Nation First, Always First. I think all of you have seen Nation First, Always First. Now, whatever I have felt, the slogan is very significant. If I consider the day of independence, definitely our nation to be taken as our first priority, and it should be always the first priority. Other than anything, nation's welfare to be taken in the priority basis. But the concerned part of that particular slogan is what? After 77 years of independence, still we have to celebrate our Independence Day under this particular slogan. Nation first, always first. Students, I want to give you some ideas regarding the responsibilities to be served by us towards our nation. Being a responsible student of our nation, being a responsible citizen, future citizen, you are future citizen. Being a responsible citizen, you have to show some responsibilities, not only towards nation. Nation should come always first. After nation, it should be for your state, for your district, for your city, for your school, for your parents, grandparents and teachers, definitely. These responsibilities will not come if I say you have to serve the responsibilities. It will not come by saying only. It should come from your inner core. But yes, being a responsible citizen, if our country is giving us the right of our constitutions, to get those rights, we have to serve some responsibilities. It is not about that as we have taken birth in an independent country, automatically the rights are passing on us from our countries and as per the constitution of our country. It is not like that. Today, I was watching today's program on the stage. Students, they performed very well, exceptionally well. First, I like to congratulate them that in the way they have celebrated. I like to congratulate the students along with their mentors, teachers, everyone. Every single student is responsible for the successful completion of the celebration. But students, along with this celebration, you have to take away something that as we and if we are showing respect towards anything, any object, any country, expression through our nature. That is to be kept in mind. I am sure that you all are very, very, very energetic. Our country is in safe hand, and in future also from you only, scientists, chartered accountants, doctors, lawyers, all these professionals who are essential part of the society will come out. But my request to you all, apart from this whole thing, being a good citizen of the country, by seeing you, everyone can say that yes, this is called a perfect citizen. And to be called as a perfect citizen, you have to show through your expression, through your presentation, and through your attitude. That is a small notice. More to this particular city, to this particular school, and you show your responsibility, whatever I was talking about towards your nation. Again, before end my speech, I want to again congratulate you. A very happy 77th Independence Day. God bless you all. Thank you.